Do's and don'ts about your computer. There's some things you should do and there's some things you shouldn't do. And we're going to go over that in this video. Coming up right now. You shouldn't leave your computer on for a long time without shutting it down and giving it a break. You should not leave your computer plugged in and running when you're not at the computer for a long period of time. And sleep mode and hibernate mode, if you're not going to come back, everything gets really hot and you shouldn't do that. You should check your power cord on your laptop and make sure it's not getting hot. You should also clean your fans on your computer and make sure they're clean and air is flowing properly through the fans, especially the CPU fan, the one that's inside your desktop in the middle of your motherboard. That's the most important fan. You shouldn't drink anything near your laptop. Your water can spill in there, coffee can spill on your keyboard, and it's a mess, and it's hard to fix. You should do maintenance on your computer, and you should have an antivirus, and you should have Malwarebytes, and you should do scans for your to see if you have any Windows updates periodically, and make sure you update all the Windows updates. That's very important to do. You shouldn't leave your computer running and with no antivirus or no protection at all, just hoping that nothing happens, because that's not a good idea. You should make better passwords. Make upper and lowercase passwords for your router, for your online banking, and for other things, shopping and all other things you do. Don't have very simple passwords with your kids' names or password 123. Hackers are out there and they can easily get in your computer, and don't do that. You don't want your identity stolen because it's a bad thing and it's hard to fix. You should keep your desktop in a well-ventilated area. That way air can circulate. And try not to smoke a lot around your desktop, because that's how you accumulate a lot of dust. You also should have your router in a good place so it gets a good connection to your laptop in other rooms and other computers in your house or in your business. Make sure your your router's in a place, your wireless router, where it can access and it can get to those different devices where you can get a good signal. You shouldn't just guess what kind of internet provider speed you have. You should call your internet provider and find out exactly what you're paying for. And maybe for another $5 you can get faster internet. You should find out how much memory you have in your computer. That's very important, because it's very cheap to upgrade. Adding a little memory to your computer will make it run a lot faster. So make sure you check and see how much memory you have. You should not have a battery in your laptop that's getting very hot. If it's getting very hot, you need to change it. And also your power cord. If your power cord is getting very hot, don't keep it plugged in. You need to change it. They're very cheap. You can buy those online. They're about $10, $20 for that. So I hope these tips helped you. This is just a few things I'm throwing out there so everybody knows that there are do's and don'ts from your computer. And if you have a topic you want me to make a video on about what you want to know about your computer, or any kind of problems you're having with your computer, please let me know. What topics you want me to make videos on? Let me know some topics, because I'd like to make some videos on the topics that you are more concerned about and are interested about. This is Mike Lacasio. I will see you in the next video. If you're new here, like and share. Hit the bell icon. And I will see you later. Have a great day.